Hey. Huh? You're being sneaky coming up the backside here. What?
Do you know what I got?
Oh my gosh.
Went to get the clear plastic. I can't even believe this happened today. Went to get a roll of like really clear plastic because the stuff that we had on the roll, agree-filled, too milky.
Yeah.
Way too like milky white. I figured once we put it on. So we've looked and looked and looked online. I've been looking for weeks for corrugated plastic, and every single website across Canada says not in stock. Well, guess what? They lied. I just got corrugated plastic.
Let's go.
Yes! I might have had to pay my left leg for it, but
greenhouse dreams.
greenhouse dreams are coming to life. Boy, this stuff is not cheap. Like, not cheap at all, but we're gonna buy it in the spring anyway, so whether we buy it now or in the spring makes no difference. It was going to be double to get this than just the plastic wrap,
Yeah.
but this is gonna be the right way. And I even got the wavy things to connect it in the proper hardware. We're on a roll, baby.
Oh, let's go.
And I think I got just enough. Like, I literally bought every piece they had that was the clear.
Yeah.
The other stuff was like really tinted blue or solid white. So if this doesn't do enough of it and we're missing a section, well then we'll
It's
deal
gonna be
with
blue.
it. But I'm not sure. I think if I did the math right at the store that we should have like just enough.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high.
This is the top.
Yeah.
I measured the. I'm on the wrong side of the plastic. This is so exciting.
Just grabbing some screws.
Yeah. I'm not sure when I'll be at the front.
Yeah, you're at the front.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to push it up against the foam yet until I know I'm right at the front there. Filming by drill light. It is literally dark out now, and although usually you see we get a lot more progress on our projects in one of our vlogs, today we did actually have a huge win in terms of the renovation of our actual greenhouse. I can't believe I found the corrugated board today, and it meant that I had to drive over 4.5 hours between going to and from to be able to find the right plastic, and I lucked out going to find something else. Like, this whole project has just fallen into place. Like, the universe really wants us to have a greenhouse, and the future of our homesteading is dependent on the success of this greenhouse. And so we're working really hard to get this all up and going so that early in the spring we can get to growing right away. We have so many more projects that are going to happen on our homestead that are coming up this month on our channel that you guys are going to be pretty excited about, that we know is going to add to the greatness of our acreage here at our 1899 abandoned home. And of course, we'll be getting back to doing interior renovations really soon. We want to get some of these projects done before the weather gets really bad and we really have to work inside. So thank you so much for joining us today on our video. I hope you guys are just as excited as we are to get the right materials for this project. We love you. Thanks for supporting us, and we will see you tomorrow.